Alright, here are a few helpful tips and tricks for refilling the Everlasting Comfort Humidifier water tank. A lot of people have mentioned difficulty that with removing the water tank they have to use two hands and it's very slippery. So actually there is a built-in handle that nobody knows about. It's in our user manual, but I'll show you guys here. First you want to remove the 360-degree mist nozzle from the center. And then you just have to pry the decorative cover off. And it will expose the handle here, and you can stick a couple fingers on here to remove the water tank from the base. Now, when you flip the water tank over, you have a flat surface and it will not fall when you're trying to refill it with water. Then, simply replace the valve. And you can carry the full water tank with just a couple fingers. Place it back onto the base. Reattach the decorative cover and the 360-degree mist nozzle. Remove the 360-degree mist nozzle. Just take two fingers and it simply just comes right out. A lot of people have expressed difficulty with removing the decorative cover. Sometimes if your humidifier is new and you've never removed the decorative cover before, it can get stuck. So all you have to do is use a household butter knife or a flathead screwdriver, and you just carefully pry around the edges here to get the decorative mist nozzle off, and then just reach your fingers in and pull directly up to remove the decorative cover. When you put the water tank back on, just place the decorative cover onto the humidifier, press down firmly, and do the same with 360-degree mist nozzle. Alright, when you're dumping water out of the base, you're going to want to make sure to dump the water outside of the left side of the humidifier as the humidifier is facing towards you. So if this is the front side of the humidifier, the left side is over here. So when the floater is stuck to the bottom of the base, sometimes it's very hard to get into these tight little nooks and crannies. So you can actually remove the top piece of the floater. So just take a household Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew it, and just lift up on the plastic piece that covers the floater. Set that to the side. And then you can easily get to the floater and you can pry it off or add water and brush and clean the floater. You can actually lift the floater out completely, like so. And then you can clean beneath the floater much easier. Once that's done, you can rinse it and then dump out the dirty water, and then replace the floater. And the top. And secure snugly, but do not over tighten.